Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something that might come up if you're managing your credit cards. How to remove an authorized user from your American Express credit card. This step-by-step guide is tailored for 2025, so you can stay up to date with the latest features. Whether you're tidying up your account or dealing with changes in your personal life, this process is straightforward and secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your American Express account. Head over to the American Express website or open their mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Use a secure device for this. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Settings or Profile section. It's usually found in the main menu, so look for an icon that looks like a person or a gear. Next, find the Authorized Users or Additional Cardholders tab. This is where American Express lists all the people you've added to your account. Scroll through the list and select the user you want to remove. You'll probably see options like Edit or Remove next to their name. Click on that. Now, confirm your decision. American Express will likely ask you to verify this action for security reasons. You might need to enter your password again or answer a security question. Once confirmed, the system will process the removal, which could take a few minutes. Keep in mind, this will immediately stop the authorized user from making charges or accessing the card. After removal, it's a good idea to double-check your account. Log out and log back in, then review the authorized users list to ensure they're no longer there. Also, inform the removed user so they're not caught off guard. Maybe they have pending transactions to handle. A quick tip. Removing an authorized user won't affect your credit score directly, but it could impact theirs if they've been using the card responsibly. Always handle these changes thoughtfully to maintain good relationships. And remember, if you run into any issues, American Express has excellent customer support. Just give them a call. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart with your money. See you in the next video.